Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. In today's Python mini project, we are going to build a simple quiz game using Python. So without wasting time, let's start coding. Okay, first I'm displaying a welcome message. The print statement makes our program look clean and user friendly. After this, we need to create a variable called score. So initially the score is 0. So whenever the user answers the questions correctly, we will increase the score. Okay. After this score initialization, we need to print some statements, that is displaying the first quiz questions along with its three options. Okay. In the first print statement, that is /n, that is used. It means it creates a new line, so the output looks neat. Okay. First, we will print the first question. A simple question like what is the output of a print? 2 plus 3 question mark with double quoted. Next, we need to print the options. So here in this example, I'm using only A, B, C options. And the first option is A, that is 23. And the second option is pi. And the third option is C, that is error. So this is what it shows whenever I run the program, the first question. Okay. After these questions and the three options, we need to ask the user to enter their answer. So I'm using input function. That is, answer is equal to input, enter your answer. Within that, A, B, C options. Means it allows the user to enter their answer. So I'm storing the answer in the variable called answer. Next is checking whether the user's answer is correct. The upper function converts it into an uppercase. This means both the lowercase b and uppercase b will be accepted. And next, if the answer is correct, we display a success message, that is score plus equal to 1, increases the score by 1. If else, if it is wrong, then the program tells the user to correct the answer. Which answer is correct? The second and third questions follow the same logic. So which I have just copy pasted that two questions, and you can add few more questions also. Okay. Next, once all the questions are answered, the quiz is to be completed. So we need to display that the quiz is completed. So the user will understand that there is no more questions and the questions are finished. Just a print message. Okay. After this, we need to display the final result. Okay. That is to print our score. This statement, the print your score that is divided by 3. This line, it displays the total score that is obtained by the user. Okay, next we need to calculate the percentage. And you know the formula of the percentage, right? That is score divided by total questions. Then it's multiplied by the 100. The same thing in code I have written. That is percentage is equal to score divided by 3 and into 100. That is multiplied by 100. Then we need to display the percentage scored by the user. So we will print the percentage. And we will use the percentage symbol also. Okay. After this, we need the result. Like, we need to know how our performance is. So, we will use if score is equal to 3, means if the user scores all 3 marks, an excellent message is displayed. Otherwise, what next? If the score is 2, means a good message is displayed. Okay, let me print that statement. Excellent, you got all answers correct. This is the what printed only when all the answers are correct. Or else If the score is that is 2, only 2 answers are correct, then it prints other statement like good job, keep practicing something, and you got 2 answers correct. And otherwise, if not, it will print, and the program what encourages the user to keep practicing, like any statements like better luck next time, something like that. Okay, next, finally displaying a thank you message. Okay, this is what. So we need to run this program after all this code. I hope you have understood how this code is implemented, how where to put the if else statements and all usage of that. Okay, let me run. So first it displays that statement, welcome message, and then it displays the question one with 3 options, and I need to enter the answer. For example, I answered C. Actually, the answer is B. So it prints that displays incorrect, and the option for the function keyword def is the correct answer. It will display correct. And this is how it shows the score percentage and the statement based on the if conditions. So this is how it works. Okay. I hope you have understood this one, and let me show all the answers are incorrect only. Then what the percentage it shows. See, all the wrong, your score is 0 out of 3 percentage, and it tells that better luck next time. Okay, this is how it works. So if you have what found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Code with Akshi for more Python beginner friendly mini projects. And thanks for watching. Happy coding.